Sisukunj Bhagwala Board Search English Medium Standard 3rd Subject EVS. Students, today we are here for revision of semester exam, and it is video part 5 of our revision semester exam. Yes. Today we are going to see question 3A and question 3B in this video. So we will start it. Question 3A, match the following, and it will be come from chapter number 3, 6 and 11. Here you have to match A with B. In A column there is a question, and in B column its answer, its related answer will be there. You have to match it with correct options. Okay, let's see first one, stem. What is the work of stem? You have to find it from here. Absorb water and nutrients, become fruits, supports plant, has a seed inside them. What is correct answer? Yes, support plants. So first will be C, stem, support plant. Second number, roots. What is the function of roots? Absorb water and nutrient from the soil. So A, second with A, absorb water and nutrients. So match second with A. Third number, fruits. Fruits has a seed inside them. Fruits has a seed inside them. So we will match fruits with D. Fourth number, flower. Flower become fruits. Flower become fruits. So we will match fourth with B. Again, stem, support plants, root, absorb water and nutrients, fruits has a seeds inside them, and flowers become fruits. Let's see next. Here relations is given, mama, kaki, masi and dada. You have to match it with correct relation. Mama, let's see answer, mother's sister, father's father, mother's brother or uncle's wife. Who will come? Mama. To whom we can call mama? Yes, we can call mother's brother as a mama. Mother's brother as a mama. Sixth number, kaki. To whom we can call kaki? Yes, we can call kaki to uncle's wife. Our uncle's wife we call kaki. Seventh one is masi. To whom we can call masi? Father's father? No. What remain? Mother's sister. So we will match mother's sister. So we can call masi to our mother's sister. Eighth number, dada. In English we can call them grandfather. So dada is father's father. Father's father. So we will match it. Okay. Again, mama, mother's brother. Kaki, uncle's wife. Masi, mother's sister. And dada, father's father. Okay. Let's see ahead. 9 number, our sense organ. Skin, eyes, nose, ears and tongue. Here its work is given. How it is working? Which kind of sense? Here sense organ is given and here sense is given. Which kind of sense you are experience from sense organ? Skin, sight, visio, taste, touch, smell, hearing. What you can experience with skin? Yes, you can touch. With the help of skin, you can experience touch. Eye. With the help of eye, you can sight or visio. You can see. So its sight is the sense of eye sense organ. Nose. With the help of nose, you can smell. Ear. With the help of ear, you can taste or hear. Yes, you can hear. So we'll match ear with hearing. 13 number, tongue. With the help of tongue sense organ, you can experience taste. Tongue with taste. So we will match it. Okay, let's see again. Skin, touch, eye, sight, visual, nose, smell, ears, hearing, 13 number, tongue, taste. Okay, let's see next exercise. Okay, question 3b, encircle the maze given below and write them in the bracket. Here in these questions you have to read instruction, what question is given, from that you have to find out its answer from the maze, and afterwards we have to write it here. See first one. Banana is what I love eating. I spend my time jumping and leaping. Here its answer is given in this maze. You have to find it out properly where it is hidden. Okay, and afterwards you have to encircle it, and afterwards we have to write it here. See, banana is what I love eating. I spend my time jumping and leaping. So here in this question, which animal is described? Yes, monkey, because monkey eats banana and it spend most of time on trees and jumping. It is doing jumping on tree to tree. So we'll find out monkey from this maze. You have to find it out from this maze. See, it is here, monkey, monkey. Okay, so monkey, you have to also write here monkey. Next, second number, on the walls webs I weave where insects stick and cannot live. So here web of spider is described. Web of spider. On the walls webs I weave where insects stick and cannot live. So you have to find out its insect name from the maze. Which insect make webs? Spider. So you have to find it out, spelling of spider from here. Right? It is here. Okay. After finding answer, you have to encircle it, as well as you have to write it here also. Third number, I remain awake the whole night. I remain awake whole night and go to sleep in broad daylight. Which bird is described here? Yes, this bird remain awake at night, whole night, and go to sleep in broad daylight. So it is owl. Let's find it out, owl from here. Where it is hidden? You have to find it out. Yes, it is given here, OWL. OWL, owl. So encircle here and write here also OWL, owl. Against, banana is what I love eating. I spend my time jumping and leaping. It is monkey. On the walls webs I weave where insects stick and cannot live. Spider. I remain awake the whole night and go to sleep in broad daylight. Owl. Okay, let's see other. Okay, 4 number, croak 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 is my sound. In water or on land I am found. Croak 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 is my sound, and in water or on land I am found. Which animal is this? It is a frog. So here the spelling of frog is hidden here. You have to find it out. We'll find it out. Yes, here frog, frog is given. So you have to encircle it, and afterwards write it here, frog. Okay. 5 number, I appear after rainfall, have no feet, so I crawl. Such kind of insect appear after rain, and it has no legs, so it is crawling. So it is crawling. Which insect is this? Yes, it is snail. 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 I appear after rainfall. Have no feet, so I crawl. It is snail. Sixth number. Slow and steady is my pace. I always win when there is a race. Students, which animal is described here? Yes. Slow and steady is my pace. It is walking slowly, but steadily it is walking continuous. I always win when there is a race. Have you listened the story? Hare and tortoise. Hare and tortoise. So let's find out tortoise from this maze. Yes, it is given here. Tortoise. 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 So let's encircle it. Okay. Then write it here. Slow and steady is my pace. I always win when there is a race. Tortoise. It is tortoise. That's again. Croak, croak, croak is my sound. In water or on land I am found. It is frog. I appear after rainfall. Have no feet, so I crawl. Snail. Slow and steady is my pace. I always win when there is a race. It is tortoise. So let's we will see another maze and we'll find it answer. Okay, students, see here question 3b. Find places where water is found and put circle around it. Students, we learned sources of water. In this maze, some sources of water is hidden. You have to find it out. When you will find it out and circle them, and afterwards we have to write it here also. Let's we are finding it. Do you find it easily? So find and write it here. Let's we are starting. First one is we can see here WATERFALL. So first one is waterfall. So let's we encircle it, and same we will write here waterfall. Next, let's we find another. Yes, here we can see well. 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 So we will also write here WELL. Wells. Next, yes, it is given here OCEAN. Ocean. So we will encircle it and also write here ocean. Next, yes, you can see here SPRING. Spring. So let's we encircle it and write it here spring. Okay, spring is also one source of water. Then next, here you can see LAKE. Lake. Yes, lake. So we will encircle it and also write here lake. Now, do you find it others? Yes, here SEAS. 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 Seas is also source of water. Yet one is hidden in this maze. Let's find it out fast. Yes, POND. Pond. Let's encircle it. So in the same way, you have to encircle here in the maze, as well as write it here also POND. Pond. Okay. So from these maze we can find out waterfall, well, ocean, spring, lake, seas, and pond. So same to same you have to find it out in the maze, encircle it, and write in the blanks. Okay. Let's we see another exercise. Students, question 3C. Classify the following into correct part. Here you have to classify mammals, reptile, insect, and bird in its proper part. Suppose here monkey, crocodile, cockroach, eagle, peacock, termite, snake, elephant, ant, kite, lizard, and cow is given. You have to classify it in mammals, reptiles, insect, and birds. So let's we will start. First we will complete mammals. Which will come in mammals? So here monkey, then elephant, cow. Monkey, elephant and cow will come in mammals. So let's will write monkey, elephant and cow. So we will underline it. Now here mammals means animal which give birth to their young ones. Animals that give birth to their young ones. So monkey can give birth to young ones, elephant and cow. So let's we talk about reptiles. Here reptiles, crocodile, then snake, lizard. Reptiles means animal which is not walking but crawling on its body, crawling on its body, crawling through its body. So crocodile is a reptile, snake is a reptile, same to same, lizard also reptiles. So let's write it: crocodile, snake and lizard. Crocodile, snake and lizards are reptiles. Now insect, which are insects from this? Yes, cockroach is an insect, termite is an insect, ant is insect. Okay, cockroach, termite and ant. So let's will write insect, cockroach, termite and ant. Cockroach, termite and ants are insect. Now which are remains? Only birds. So we can see eagle, peacock, then kite. Eagle, peacock and kites are birds. So let's see again: mammals, monkey, eagle and cow; reptiles, crocodile, snake, lizard; insect, cockroach, termite and ant; birds, eagle, peacock and kite. So here students, we have to bifurcate two kinds of things: things that are eaten raw and things that are cooked, and things that are eaten cooked. Here some mixed things are given. Some things we can eat without cooked, we can eat raw, but some things we cannot eat without cooked, we need to cook it. Let's bifurcate it, let's classify it. Dal. Students, we can eat dal without cooked? No, it needs to cook. So we will write in the part of things that are eaten cooked, dal. Second one is tomato. So we can eat tomato raw. So we can write in that column tomato. Rice. You can eat rice raw? No, we need to cook it. So we will write here rice. Carrot. Carrot we can eat both raw as well as cooked. So we will write here carrot. Radish. Radish we can eat both after cooked or before cooked. So we will write things that are eaten raw, radish. Chapati. We cannot eat chapati raw, we need to cook it. Okay, we need to bake it. So we will write here chapati. Potato. We can't eat potato raw, but need to cook. So things that are eaten cooked: potato. Cabbage. Have you eat cabbage raw? Yes, we are eating cabbage raw when we are we are eating salad. Okay, so we can write in the column things that are eaten raw. Onion. Yes, we can eat onion in both raw as well as cooked. So we will write here onion. You can also write here onion, but no, we can eat raw, so we will not write here. Paratha. Raw paratha we can't eat. We need to bake it. So we will write here paratha. Gram, black gram we can eat raw. No need to cook. So we will write here gram. Lemon, we can eat lemon raw as well as cooked. So we will write here lemon. And last, idli, we can't eat idli without steaming. We need to steam it. Afterwards we can eat. So we will write idli is here. And last one is dosa. Dosa also need to steaming. Afterwards you can eat. Okay, students, here some vehicles are given in mixed transport like a helicopter, ship, car, bus, ship, aeroplane, boat, truck, train, ferry, hot balloons, fan. Here you have to classify it in proper type of transport like land transport, water transport and air transport. So let's first of all we will see helicopter. So which kind of vehicle helicopter is? Yes, helicopter is air vehicle. So we will write it here in the column of air transport, helicopter. Next, ship. Ship is a water transport. So we will write ship in water transport. Car is a land transport. Yes, car is a land transport. Bus also land transport. Ship, we already write it, so no need to write again. Aeroplane is a air transport, so we will write it here. Aeroplane. Boat is a water transport, so we will write it here. Truck is a land transport, so we will write it here. Train can run on rails, but rails where it is on land, so we will write in land transport. Ferry is a one kind of boat. Okay, so we will write in water transport. Hot balloons is a air transport. And last one is van is a land transport, so we will write it here. Friends, here we learn question 3A, B and C. I hope you get it perfect knowledge about it, and I hope you will watch this video again and again and be ready for exam. Thank you and have a nice day.